Hi, my name is Mark Corbin, and I'm president of Vanco International. Today I'm going to be talking about our Evo IP system, which is an HDMI-Over-IP system. Our Evo IP system consists of a single control box for any setup. This control box is capable of handling 1,000 transmitters and 1,000 receivers within an entire setup. The control box acts as the complete brains and operations of the entire unit, and it will talk directly with your transmitter and receiver. Each transmitter and receiver is powered over PoE. It is a cloud-based system. Within that system, we allow 5 major functionalities: a matrix mode, a video wall functionality, an on-screen display, an event calendar, and an access page. On each page, everything is very simple to use, click and drag type feature. Okay, simple, and it instantly changes. Video wall features are very simple as well. Everything is customizable up to 5x5 video walls. It's very simple to change your layouts, as simple as to just hit update, and it'll immediately update any changes that you make. OSD is our on-screen display. This gives you the capability of putting up digital signage like this right here, and it can rotate between up to 16 different images to do continual signage or digital display. Anytime you shut that off, it is immediately going to go right back to a video type image screen. Okay, whenever you click it back on, it is going to take about 10 seconds to load your imagery, and it's going to recycle. With this GUI system you're looking at in the platform, you have your scheduling system where you can add at any time whether you want to schedule certain TVs on or off at certain days, even on certain channels and so forth. You can also schedule events. All right, you're allowed to do any kind of event that's coming up. You can basically schedule whether you want it to turn off TVs at a certain time and so forth. Many options there. The other great thing is your setup portion. This will give you a setup of everything, and it updates every 10 seconds of what's going on in your system. If you ever have an issue with your system, you're going to go in here and it's going to give you the entire diagnostics of what's going on. You're also able to actually downgrade and upscale anything you need to do. So if you have uncommon denominators within your resolution of TVs, you're able to actually scale each TV individually if needed. And lastly, we keep a nice log that allows you to look exactly what's going on within your system. It also can email you or text message you the minute anything happens within the system, and you can remotely monitor that system and log in and fix it. Our booth number is 561 here at InfoComm. If you would like to visit us, please visit us at Vanco1, that's VANCO, the number 1.com, and please visit us on Facebook and Twitter as well at Vanco International. Thanks.